So today we will start our exercise number 3. So in this exercise we have to make interrogative and negative sentence. Interrogative means question mark sentence and negative means we have to use here not. Not means negative. So in this exercise, how we will make this sentence into interrogative and negative form. Okay. So first exercise, first sentence already is here. Just like first sentence, they asked some questions. They asked some questions. So whenever we have to make interrogative or negative sentence. So first of all, we will search that what is tense is here. If there are no auxiliary verb means is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had. These are auxiliary verb. So if we have to make interrogative and negative sentence, but there isn't any auxiliary verb. So in that sentence, we have to find out tense. In which tense that sentence is. So first of all, we find out that here is past tense because we add here ed. So here is past tense. So in past tense, which word we have to use here? Do or did or does? In past tense, we have to use only did. In present tense, we have to use do or does. But because here is past tense, so we use here did. So how we will make question? Did they ask any questions? Ask. Don't use here ed again because already we use past tense word here did, and whenever we are using past tense here, so don't use ed in that word. So did they ask any questions? We avoid this ed whenever we are using here did because already we use here did. So with did, don't write again ed or any past form. Okay children, always remember this thing. With did, don't use any past form of that verb. So here is sentence, did they ask any questions? Now we have to make again negative sentence. So how we will make negative sentence? We have to use did plus not. We have to use did plus not. They didn't ask any questions. They didn't ask any questions. So children, in negative sentence we have to use, you have to add not in short form. Don't write here N-O-T. We use here short form, and while giving short form, we have to use here this apostrophe. They didn't ask any questions. So this is our interrogative sentence and this one is our negative sentence. So children, did you understand that whenever we are using did, so no using here ed. Only here with did we have to use here present form, not past form, because past form already we used here. Okay, and in negative sentence add here not, did plus not. So they didn't ask any questions. Now children, in third sentence, here is word wants. Wants. So wants means here present tense. Wants means present tense because we use here s, not ed. Ed means past tense. So here we use s or es in present form. So, Anu wants some chocolate. And in present form, children, we are using here does. Present form always use do or does. If there is singular number, you want to use here does. And if in a sentence there is plural number, plural form, so in that sense we are using here do. If here sentence is they want some chocolate, so do they want some chocolate? So here children, we have to use here does because here is present form. So does Anu want any chocolate? And whenever you are using here does, so don't use here s because already present form is here. So no need to use again and again that form. So when we add here does, we cut here s. So does Anu want only singular number? So does Anu want any chocolates? Now Anu doesn't want any chocolates. Doesn't want negative sentence. Doesn't want any chocolate. And we have to use here any because in negative and interrogative sentence we are using here any. Instead of some, we are using here any. Okay? Some means in affirmative sentence and any means in negative and interrogative sentence. So children, in present form we have to use do or does, and in past form we have to use here did. So in other exercise also we have to use like that. If there is plural form present tense, so use there do, and if there is singular form present tense means does, and if there is past tense means did. So in other sentence you have to use like that. Next, our fourth exercise, we have to use here not any. In sentence there is only no, and instead of no we have to use here not any. So how we will use that? In two sentences I will explain that I have no time. I have no time. Instead of this no, we use here not any. Which word we are using here? Not any. Because in negative sentence always use any. So I have no time. I don't have any time. So instead of no, we have to use here not any. In second sentence, he has no work to do. He hasn't any work to do. He hasn't any work to do. So in this exercise, instead of no, we have to use here not any. In other sentence, they want no help from you. They want no help from you. They don't want any help from you. They don't want any help from you. Why use here do? Because there is plural number. Then next one. There is no sugar in the pot. There isn't any sugar in the pot. The hen has laid no eggs today. The hen hasn't laid no egg today. He hasn't laid any egg today. Next one. There are no apples on the tree. There aren't any apples on the tree. You have put no sugar in the tea. You haven't put any sugar in the tea. So children, in first exercise we have to use interrogative. First means third exercise. We have to use interrogative and negative sentence. When there is no auxiliary verb, so we have to find out tenses. If there is past tense, we use there did. If there is present tense, we use there do or does. Do means plural sense and does means singular form. In next exercise, that not any, instead of no we have to use there not any. So children, write neatly whenever I send this exercise.